Y'all are like, it's nighttime. Why is Amy on here? As you come on, just say, hey, tell me where you're tuning in from. And I just wanted to pop on here tonight. I'm in my kitchen. I told Jean, I was like, we just come in from dinner. I said, I want to tell the gals about what dropped today. So as you pop on, just say, hey, tell me where you're tuning in from. And I don't know about y'all, the weather today was perfection. It was so pretty. Don't you just love fall? It's so exciting to think I'm going to be able to use my fireplace really, really soon. So I wanted to just show you some things. It's really, guys, it's almost November. Can you believe that? It's almost November. So it's time. We've got to start thinking about gifts and wrapping and making things for the holidays. It's the most beautiful time of the year. So I thought, what would be more fun than for me to show you some of the stencils that have dropped today, that we've got lots of new designs coming. You're going to love all of our Christmas stencils. They're so much fun. But these are, this is a treasure. Look at this, treasure trove of interactive designs, words, all that you can put together. This is something that we made. Now, I don't know about y'all, but these are darling. These are like tea towels. This is one of the easiest things that you can do, is make tea towels and put in your bathrooms for your guests. Here's the other fun thing. You can do custom tea towels to be able to wrap maybe a bottle of champagne or a bottle of wine or some platters, or put a little gift bag together. And they're so inexpensive and so easy. And so I love this, how we can incorporate, look, is that the cutest thing you've ever seen? So you can take the words and intermingle it here like this and create cute little tea towels. You can do platters, charcuterie boards, the whole 9 yards. So this is the first stencil that we've got that dropped today. And there are 4 of them in our Christmas collection. Here's something else I want you to see. Now I love this one because it has all these little wreaths. And it has the sayings and the emblems and words that you can put in them. And here's what's exciting, because you can find these. They're at most craft stores. You can also get them online. But look at this. Let me show you. Hold on. I've got all my goodies here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. Is this the cutest thing? It goes from this to this. And this stencil is literally designed to fit onto the Birchwood. It was designed exclusively for that, for you to be able to create this. Because one, I think these are so cute put on a package. They're so cute on a package, and also they're great little ornaments if you want to be able to create different trees in your house, and especially in your kitchen. I will tell you, I've got my chairs over here. They're new chairs, and I was like, I think I'm going to put little wreaths on each one of my chairs, and I will hang these in the center of my wreaths that are around my dining table. Don't you love that? Hey, Carol, as you pop on here, I forgot to tell y'all this. As you pop on, say, hey, tell me where you're tuning in from. And guess what? I always give away stuff. I get in trouble. But here's the deal. If you share this video, tag some good friends that you know love to make things too, I'm going to be giving away all 4 of these stencils that dropped today. And I'm going to pay to ship it to you. All you have to do is, we say sharing is caring. Hey, Mary Jo Walker. Hey, girl. Hey, Diane. We say sharing is caring. And it's really a beautiful community that we have of people that love creating and crafting. I think y'all are some of the most giving, loving groups of people, because you find joy in making something and giving it to someone else. I just think that makes life worth living. Shauna, hey girl, we were talking to somebody last night from Colorado Springs. That's crazy. And they were talking about how much they loved it. Jean and I just got back from Colorado, and it was absolutely glorious. It was such a great trip. Hey, from New Jersey. All right, so anyway, this particular stencil that we dropped today, look at this. It is perfectly made for all of your birch needs, as far as for packages, ornaments, all that kind of thing. That's what this was made for. Now, look at this one. I love this stencil because it's all interchangeable. You've got your bird and your tree branches. You've got this yummy little decor that would go like on the front of a house, and then you've got this little village, and then you get all these different words that you can mix and match. Here's what I love using it on. I love this stencil. Look at this. Look at the detail. Can you see that? Look at the detail on that. That's what makes our stencils so great, because they look like they were printed at a printer. Look, like the cutest thing ever. Hey, Brenda. Oh, I hope you're enjoying your house in the country. So good to see your name. I wished I could hug you. I just have pictures of you coming by the studio in my mind. Diane, do you not love this Christmas card? Yes. So I love this one. This stencil you can use for so many things, but I do love the fact that we can make some really darling cards. This would also be great for tea towels and that type thing as well. So last but definitely not least, isn't he great? So he's just so commanding, and the detail on him on this stencil is absolutely fabulous. And then all the sayings that you've got, Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, Holly and Jolly. Let me tell you something else that I do. You need palm trees and alligators. That's funny. I mean, even though now I get it, the fact that we live here in Florida, there's something to me just about that southern, I just still have that southern feeling of growing up in Tennessee and how it feels, and the snow and sleigh, all that type thing. It still feels like Christmas that way. But I wanted to tell you something that's so great. With these larger letters like this, and even Holly Jolly, I will buy that large red and green, and I'm gonna do chocolate this year. I'm all over about doing chocolates and creams and coppers. That's what I'm gonna decorate in my own home. But I will take these, I cut them up, and I will stencil this on my ribbon and just use craft paper. I am one of those people, I like having all craft paper and really gorgeous satin ribbon and doing the words on them like this. I just think it's so much fun. But I want to show you this. So isn't he fab? Now look at this. Are you ready? I want to hold him up. Look at this pillow. Can you see it? Look at the detail on that. Now, look, he's like the cutest. Now, see, so the words, you can change them out. Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly, mistletoe kisses, whatever it is that you like. But he is so cute to be able, for me, I like being able to just have pillows on my sofa or chairs that kind of change out with the holidays, as far as whether it's Easter or Thanksgiving or Christmas. And it's so fun because you can get these muslin pillows, they're inexpensive, and put an insert in it and switch it out. So I wanted you to be able to see how cute he was with this stencil. So there's so many fun, yummy things to make, get ready for, excited. I love to, because one, we're in a new neighborhood, and I love making happies for my neighbors, puppies. So when everybody goes out and they walk their dogs and they're talking, it's like I can put things together. And doing these little tea towels, and last year I dehydrated chicken breast for people with puppies. And so it really, I think when you do something for someone else's child, and for a lot of us that have, I have the empty nest syndrome, and all I have left are four-legged children at home. So even though I do get to take care of my grandson 2 days a week. So anyway, I've got all these ideas of things I want to be able to create that I'm going to use in my gift giving. So, you know, so many of us have so much of everything, and what we don't need another electronic thing. I think being able to make a gift and give it and know that it was made with your hands and that you have a way of showing love. What's one of the greatest gifts we can give people? Our time. So make them a beautiful gift, give it to them. We've got tons of great stencils that we're going to be dropping for you to be able to do all your creative things. Share this video, tag some friends, and your name is going to go in for a drawing. And what's today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday afternoon, we'll make the announcement of the winner. And I'm going to be shipping it to you absolutely free. So all you have to do is share the video, tag some good friends. I love you guys. I hope you are anticipating a beautiful holiday season. Jean and I sat outside tonight and we were overlooking this gorgeous body of water. And I told him, I said, do you know how blessed we are? That it was quiet and tranquil and beautiful. So please, as we are enjoying our freedom, let's pray for our friends in the Middle East. Just pray for them. So we're so grateful for you. We're so grateful to be able to live in this beautiful country and celebrate Christmas. Christmas. Have a great day, everybody. Mwah. I love you guys.